Hello guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Learnify today. So friends, today's video I am going to tell you how to do practice alone. Is it possible to practice English alone or not? If it is possible, then how? So I will tell you step by step. And so first of all, how to do practice alone. In my case, I am totally alone. I never practice with someone. I never practiced with someone. I do my practice, everything I do alone and at home. I didn't join any English spoken classes, and I never buy any specific book to teach English, spoken English, especially spoken English. So everything I will tell you step by step. So please watch this video right in the end. So first of all, are you struggling to speak English? Are you struggling to finding partner to speak English, to just practice English? So there is no need to find partner in your initial day. If you are in initial day, so yes, please don't find any partner, don't find any specific book can teach you English, spoken English. Okay, because it's not just need to learn grammar at all. It's need to practice. It's important to practice. If you want to speak without fear, so it's need to do practice. Okay, so in my case, in initially day, I was do a lot practice, shadowing practice. Okay, I was doing shadowing practice. Okay, at my home in front of the mirror. Mirror, it's my partner. Mirror can teach me. Mirror teach me a lot of things to get confidence, to speak English, to face myself into the mirror. That is why I feel little bit confident. I'm confident. So all this happened because I have done shadowing practice with my mirror. Mirror is my partner to speak, to do practice English. Okay, so practice English speaking. There is a need to do any specific work? No. Okay, if you are alone and you are hesitant to face people in your initial day, just stand yourself into the mirror and start talking to yourself. Okay, and maybe about yourself, introducing yourself, about your daily routine, about your college life, about your previous life, and maybe your future life. What is your plan for future? You can discuss anything about your life into the mirror. Okay, this way you can explain your thoughts, your memory, and your future plan. If you do, then gradually something happened. Okay, gradually something will happening, and you will gradually feel confident to speak in front of the other people. Okay, so this will happen, but it's still take time. Okay, and if you are thinking how to practice, because initially in my case I wasn't speak English. Okay, I wasn't speak English when I in my past life I didn't speak English. Even when I passed inter, I couldn't speak English. I was very hesitant to ask some question to my English teacher. Okay, so I couldn't ask any question, I couldn't ask any grammar rules, everything, because I was hesitant. Okay, I faced so many problems about to just speak English, because there were many problems. I could not speak English. I was weak. Okay, in my school life. So that is why something happened, a lot of things. But finally I decided to talk with mirror. I decided to practice with mirror, and gradually all the things it's happening with me easier. Okay, so whenever I talk in front of the mirror, uh, I faced so many problems. I could not face myself. You know, when I see my face, when I was seeing my face into the mirror, I was very uncomfortable. I feel very uncomfortable to just ask some question, to introduce myself, because it was my previous day and it was my starting day. So I faced so many problems. But gradually, I feel something improving in my life, something improving in my spoken skills. So it's happening with me. So yeah, it is possible to speak English. It is possible to practice alone at home. but it's need to just speak every day, maintain your consistency, and you have to face yourself every day. Okay. And you can do practice by reading books. Okay, reading it's also helpful, it's very helpful, it's a very crucial point to speak, to get confidence English language. Okay, so just read book and start talking to into the mirror. Please not stop. Okay, you have not stopped after reading, you have to speak in your words. Okay, just stand yourself after reading any book. After read any book, then start in front of the mirror and start explaining that story. What was the story, what was the title, what was the lesson, and I know maybe you will fumble, you will stuck, you will forget the story, the word, the sentence. Maybe it will happen. Yeah, I would say it will happen. It will happen, and it's truly happened. Okay, because it's in my case it's also happened. That is why I know what the situation will face a learner, a beginner in initially. I know everything. Okay, so it's my personal things. Okay, so gradually all the things will happen. So please don't be think how I do practice alone. Okay, you can do practice alone, you can achieve fluency at home, it is possible. But it's need to do just practice every day. Face yourself every day, and after reading the book you have to explain the story. Please, it's my personal request, it's my humble request. Face the camera, face the situation, critical situation. If you not face any situation, then how it would possible to get confidence and overcome of the fear? It will not possible, I think. So just face everything, whatever needs to do for your spoken journey, whatever needs to do. Okay, start thinking, practicing, shadowing practice, whatever it's need, just do. Okay, so do practice every day, and I hope you will you will get confidence. Okay, through shadowing practice, through mirror practice at home, because it is possible. And I am also the example. I'm also very alone in this journey, and I also do a lot practice into the mirror, by reading, by watching content, everything. Okay, so this is the my point of view which I wanted to explain, and which I already shared with you. So I hope you got my video a little bit helpful for you. If it is, then please do like, share and subscribe. So bye bye friends.